Okay, now let us solve some problems from the chapter ages. The sum of the present age of Jay, Prem, and Saran is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 2:3:4. What is the present age of Sarah? This is not Sarah, this is Saran. Okay? Okay, what we can do is, how many people are there? 3, and let us see. Jay, Prem, Saran. We can think, because we don't know their age, we can assume X, 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 and all this 3X, the total is 93. But they have given us the ratio 2:3:4. 2:3:4. What we can do is we can multiply 2x, 3x, 4x, and the total is 93. And again, what they're asking is 10 years ago. Okay, this is a present age. Okay, and they're asking 10 years ago. These ratios were 10 years ago, so we have to add 10 years to it. 10, 10, 10. Okay, now what we're supposed to do is, let me come down. Okay, we'll do it here. Okay, kindly check. We are supposed to write this 2x plus 10 plus 3x plus 10 plus this one 4x plus 10, and the total of that is 93. So what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to add the familiar items. We are supposed to add the similar items like 2x plus 3x plus 4x. What we'll do is, we'll write 2x plus 3x plus 4x. Okay, and what's there? 10, 10, 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. So 30. Okay, 30 is equals to 93. So here, 2x plus 3x plus 4x, how much? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9x plus 30 is equals to 93. Okay, we've all done the equation. So what we are supposed to do is, if similar items at one side, so 30, there is 93, this is a number and this is a number. So when this number goes this side, this is a plus sign, it changes to minus 30. Okay, 93 minus 30 is nothing but 63. So now what we have 9x is equals to 63. So what we can write is, x is equals to 63. When the 9 goes here, the relationship is multiplication. When it goes the other side, comes division. 63 divided by 9, it will become 7. Okay, 7 is the x. Now we require only 7. Okay, we require, what is the present age of 7? The present age of 7, 4x plus 10. We know what is x. X is what? X is 7 plus 10. 4 into 7, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 10, it is 38. Do we have 38 in the answer? Yes, we do have 38 in the answer. We have one more problem which says, Ashok is 3 years elder than Balu. Balu, who is 4 times as old as Jaswant. Jaswant is now 6 years old. The only clear information is being given of Jaswant. Jaswant is 6 years old. How much? 6. And the Balu now is 4 times of Jaswant. Balu is 4 times of, what is the age of Jaswant? 6. He is 4 times that of Jaswant. So 4 6 are 24. Okay. And Ashok Ashok is how much? 3 years elder than Balu. That means Balu is 24 and Ashok is 3 years elder. 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay. What was Ashok's age when Jaswant was born? We know that Jaswant was born before 6 years. So minus 6, 27 minus 6, Ashok age is 27. So minus 6, when Jaswant was born, Balu was 27 minus 6 is 21 and 21 is the answer. Problem number 62. The sum of ages of 5 children, because it's a sum of ages of 5 children, born at the interval of 3 years, and that is the sum is 50. So we know that there are 5 children and they are born, this is very important in detail, they are born at the intervals of 3 years. At the intervals of 3 years means if a child is born, only after 3 years another child will take birth. After that, when the second child is born, after 3 years, the other child to be born should wait for 3 more years to take a birth. So, think that, what is the age of the elder child among the 5 children? We have to see. Think that the elder child is born at X. The second child, X minus 3 because it is after 3 years. And another child, the third child will be born after 6 years because 3 plus 3. Here there is an interval of 3, here there is an interval of 3, and like that. X minus 9 and X minus 12. Because here everyone has the interval of 3 years between them. So the total is 50. So it's an easy problem. So X plus X minus 3 plus X minus 9 plus X minus 6 plus X minus 9 plus X minus 12 is equals to 50. So group all the X and all the numbers separately. So there are how many X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5X. So 5X minus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12. 3 plus 6, 9. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Okay? 56, 5x minus 30 is equals to what? Is equals to 50. Is equals to 50. So, 50, as I told you, similar numbers like this is alphabet number and this only number and this side is number. So, if you have numbers, different sides, bring on one side. When 30 comes here, it is minus, it will become plus. 50 plus 30, it will become 80. 5x. 5x is equals to 80. So x is equals to 80. The relationship is multiplication. When it goes this side, it will become division. 5 ones are 5, 5 16s are. So the elder child age is 16. Understand this. Number 56. If Saurabh is as much elder than Sham, Saurabh, okay, is elder than Sham. Okay, he's elder than Sham. As he's younger than to Suresh, okay, he is younger than Suresh. That means Suresh is elder, Sham is younger, Saurabh lays in between. These kinds of problems falls under average. Okay, so the average is age of Suresh plus Sham divided by 2. So the sum of the age is 46. So 46 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2s are 2 3s are. So the average age is 23. Okay. So we got the answer 23. Okay. Then what will be the age of Saurabh after 5 years? The present age is 23. They are asking after 5 years. Add 5. 23 plus 5 is nothing but 28. We got an answer 28. Wow, good. This is interesting. The present age of Ravi's father is 4 times Ravi's present age. Okay, the present age of Ravi's father is 4 times Ravi's present age. We don't know Ravi's age. So let Ravi age be. Ravi age is X. So the father age is how much? 4 times that of Ravi, 4x. This is one condition. Then second condition, 5 years back, okay, 5 years back, Ravi father, that means 5 years back means how much? X minus 5, 4x minus 5. This is 5 years back scenario. 5 years back, Ravi's father 7 times as older. This is 5 years back data. Okay, this is 5 years back data. At that data of 5 years ago, at the time, Ravi father 7 times as old as Ravi was at that time. Okay, so we can write it as this one. Take the second condition for x minus 5, okay, is equals to x minus 5. This was, okay, this was the equation at 5 years ago. But what we are missing here is that Ravi's father was 7 times as old as Ravi. So 7 times old as Ravi. So how can we solve this? 7 into x is 7x, 7 5 is 35. 4x minus 5, what I said you're supposed to, like the quadratic equation, see where are the put numbers on one side and alphanumeric values one side. Alphanumeric values are 7x. Here there is a 4x. Bring it this side. Here it is plus, it will become minus 4x. 7x minus 4x, it will be 3x. At the same time, there is 5. Bring this 35, it will become 35 plus 35. Minus 35, minus 5 plus 35, how much it will become? It will become 30, because minus into plus is minus, so 35 minus 5 is 30, and the sign of the bigger digit. Okay, so it's plus 30. Plus 30 is equals to, the answer, we'll just take it down here. Okay, 30 is equals to 3x. So there is a multiplication relationship. So x is equals to, when 3 goes here, it becomes 30 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 tens are, so x is equals to 10. Now come back to the first one. Father age is 4x. So 4x is equals to 4 into, we know the value of x, 10. So the age of father is 40. Then coming to the present age of Akhil and Nirmal. The present age of Akhil is 3 times that of Nirmal. We don't know the Nirmal's age. Let us take that x is Nirmal's age. The present age of Akhil is 3 times of that of Nirmal. So 3x is, because x is Nirmal, Akhil is 3 times that Nirmal, so 3x of Akhil. 3 years hence, that means hence means after. After 3 years, the age of Akhil will become 4 years more than Nirmal. This is the first condition. The second condition says that after 3 years, the age will be after 3 years. So we'll take x plus 3 after 3 years and 3x plus 3. This is after 3 years scenario. This is present scenario. This is after scenario, second scenario. Okay. This is present. This is in the future. Okay. This is present and this is after 3 years. So, and hence we are supposed to take this second scenario, second condition for our equation, like we did it for the first problem. So 3x plus 3 is the father's age, is equals to, 3x plus 3 is the age after 3 years of Akhil, and Nirmal says his age is what? X plus 3. But what it says will become 4 years more than Nirmal. 4 years more than Nirmal. Okay? 4 years more than Nirmal. So add 4 here. So 3x plus 3. So you know how to solve this one. Putting all the alphanumeric digits one side and the numerical digits one side. So bring all the x here. 3x, there is x, so minus. It will become minus. Okay? 3 plus 4 minus, because this 3 will go here. 3. So 3 cancel. 3x minus x is nothing but 2x. 2x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Because this 2, when it has a relationship of multiplication. When it goes this side, it will become division. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So x is equals to 2. But we require this to find the element. So 3x is Akhil's age. So after 4 years, after 3 years, 3x is equals to 3 into 2. He will become 6 years old. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6. The problem is like this. So the question number 58, the average age of the family of 5 members is 24. They have given average age, and they have given what? Family members total number. There are how many family members? 5 family members. To find the total age, you have to multiply the average age into total number of members. That is 5 in this case. So 120. Now they're asking, if the present age of the youngest member is 8 years, what was the average age of the family at the time of the birth of the youngest member? That means the youngest member was born 8 years before. Okay, so we want to know what is the average age at that time. Okay, 8 5s are okay 8 because 8 years ago 5 family members. 8 into 5 is 40. Okay, so 120 minus 40 is 80. Okay, they're asking what was the average age of the family member at the time of the birth of the youngest member. So we know the total age, that is 8, and we know that this fifth member was not born, so it will not be 4, it will be 5. It will be 5. So sorry, it will be 4 because the youngest member was not born, and hence it will be 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 0, that is 20. So the average age of the family at the time of the birth of youngest member is 20. Now it is 24. Before 8 years, it was 20.